afternoon, students. Today we are discuss the topic about inheritance. Generally, what is inheritance means? Which one class is allowed to inherit the features of another class, which is inheritance. How can we achieve that inheritance means by using the extends keyword. So there are types of inheritance are there, like single level inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchy level inheritance. So in this session, we just see what is inheritance, and we just going to see about the simple program. Okay, anyone can explain the program of inheritance?
I can explain. Here, in this inheritance program, we are going to create a class with a name called animal. Then we are going to create an attribute, defining an attribute with int nolex is equal to 4. Then in the next, we are going to create a method with a method name eat. Then in that method name, we are going to print I am eating. Again, we are going to create a next method with the method name walk. In that method name, we are going to print that I am walking. After all this, we are going to create another class named dog. Here, we are creating a class with the class name dog and the keyword to inherit. The keyword to inherit the all things from the before.
Here actually class dog can inherit the features of class animal. So for achieving the inheritance, we are using here extends keyword. Okay.
We are using the extend keyword to inherit the things from the animal class. So in that we are also going to define the boolean can bar is true. After that we are defining a main function. In that
once we create the subclass and inherit the features from another class means we don't need to define the same variable and methods here. Okay, because we already defined the same thing in animal class only. We just inherit the features, so we don't need to define all those same things here. Okay.
We are going to create a main class with the and also going to create an object. We are creating an object with the class name dog and object is equal to new and dog. After that, we are going to print the value of attribute of nolex. We are going for the nolex. Here we are going to print the.
Here by using that object, we just call the variables which is defined in the animal class and as well as dog class. Okay. That's why we are giving the statement like object dot nolex. Nolex is a variable name which is already defined in the animal class. Okay. We just call that variables by using that object.
So the calling the object of the class, it goes to the object class which is dog.
Yes.
And if it is not available in the dog class, it goes to the superclass.
Superclass, it's animal. Okay.
So it takes the value from there.
Yes.
Next we are going to access the eat and walk class.
Then the next one is polymorphism. Generally, what is the vocabulary of polymorphism? It's many forms. So here also we are going to see the same thing. Same method name which can define in many kind of various types of forms. That is polymorphism. Under this polymorphism, we are going to discuss the topic about method overloading and overriding. So anyone can explain about the overloading? Yeah.
So method overloading is nothing but we are creating a class and we are creating a method and we are using the same method into all other classes. There is one package and in one package we are creating two classes. With that classes we are creating a same name of method and by creating that method we can access it to another class. So by using this method one method name can be accessed to another by using the different variables number of parameters. We use one method and call a function, and another we call a method and passing the variables and parameters into that method with the same method name. So let us discuss about this program. We are creating a class called polymorphism, and in that main function we are access that method by using object, and we are declaring that method we are created in subclass, and that method we are passing and calling the method object, and we are passing the argument. Another, we are creating a void display. In that display we are printing I am a void function. We are printing that statement, and with the same method name we are passing an argument int a, and we are printing that a into one display. with this method, these two method names were same, and these are accessed in the class, main class, and that display by using the object.
Okay, what about the method overriding?
So overriding is when the class name we are defining a value in one variable, and in the another class extension of another class in the same variable we are assigning the another value. It overriding and display the second value. So they explain the program. First define a class name is animal, and assign the value 4, which is an integer type. The variable name is nodex, and the
Method name void,
method
is
name
eat.
method name void.
It's
and
just print the statement I am eating.
Print the statement I am eating. Next method name is the walk. The print statement is I am walking. Next create another class named dog, which is the extension of animal. So define the value true, which is a boolean, and define the same variable name int no less, but change the values into 5, and call the method name hit.
Here why we define the same variable name in subclass also means, but the value should be different in both class. Animal class have the variable name with the value of 4, and the dog class variable name number of legs is the different value 5.
Next call the method name. So print statement is dog is eating. First is I am eating. It is overriding the name is dog is eating. Next call the main statement and create a new object dog object, and key is anywhere, and call the method
By using that
object name, and print the statement using object dot.
So the main function, the object can access the recent value. So we already defined the values for number of legs. Is animal class can have the value of 4, and dog class can have the value of 5. The dog is the recent subclass. So the object can access the value which is recently defined. Okay, this is method overriding. Okay.
Finally call the method and print the statement.